Hello, welcome to my video. In this video I will guide you how to find the NAV latest value and where to find it, and why mutual funds NAV is not updated immediately after market close. So unlikely stock prices which update in real time, mutual fund NAV is calculated only once per day after the market closes, and there are certain factors which will affect NAV. So once fund houses finalize NAV, they send it to AMFI, which publishes it officially. This usually happen around 9:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. for equity funds, and 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. for debt liquid fund. Yeah, but it will not be updated by the different apps immediately. For example, I'll show you Zerodha coin. So here, if you see, I'll just refresh this page. Here you can see the current NAV, net asset value for HDFC Nifty 50 index fund is showing 250.2987, and the date is showing 10th of December. But today is 11th of December. Similarly, for same fund in Groww also is showing 10th of December 250.30, but today is 11th of December, but it's not showing value for the NAV, although it's crossed 9:30 p.m. So where to check? So if you want to see the latest value, you have to go to Association of Mutual Fund in India, amfiindia.com. Here you can see the latest options are there to see the latest NAV. Click on this, it will take you to this page. You have to find the fund house AMC. So for example, I entered HDFC. Okay, you can see I got 568 results, and here you can see it's showing 11th December 2025. For specific for, let's find for HDFC Nifty 50 index fund. For that you have to scroll down and choose index fund, and now scroll down to see HDFC Nifty 50 index fund direct plan. So now here you can see the latest NAV of 11th of December is 251.6632. okay, here is showing 250. So this is one of the place where you can get the latest NAV updated immediately after the fund houses releases it. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.